Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool one right here, and basically what this is a portable power bank that give you guys the option to actually charge all these devices and see right here. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and they call this the Airbox. So when you guys look at the side right here, they tell you guys some of the specs that's on here. But let's actually open it up first to see what it actually looks like before I actually test it out. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like once we take off that box right there. So it looks like there's some stuff inside right here, and then right there is the actual product. Let's see what's in here first. Alright, so right here it looks like they provide guys this little bag that's used to store the product inside right here. And what they mention is that this bag right here, if you guys want to, you can definitely use this bag right here as a little cloth to actually wipe down the product and everything, which is pretty cool. And that is basically everything in that small little box that we just saw. Now let's take a look at the actual product right here. When we take out the product, you can definitely see something underneath it. So let's open up this small box as well and see what's included inside. Alright, so inside the small box right here, they do provide an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use the product. And right here, they provide you guys a cable you guys want to use to actually charge out the product. So it is a USB to USB-C cable. And that is basically everything in that small little box right there. Now let's take a look at the actual product right here. So you basically want to take off this part right here. And this is basically what the product looks right here, as you can see. So this is basically what the top part looks like. If we turn it over here, you guys can see this is basically what it actually looks like on the side right here. So I'm assuming this is a button to actually activate the product. So we press it one time. You guys can see that actually turns on. And then right here is a slot for you guys to plug in the cable to recharge this power bank right here. And on top right here, they do have the little option for you guys to open up. So just like this. So you can see this is basically what the top part looks like. And they have this little protective cover right here. Once you guys remove it, this is basically actually looks like. So I guess for this part right here is where you can put like the Apple Pencil right here if you guys have one. And for this slot right here, you can definitely put like your AirPods device or your AirPods Pro device. And then right here, you can definitely use it to actually charge like an Apple Watch device. And the top part right here is basically the wireless charger option if you guys want to use that to recharge like your phone and everything. When you guys are done using it, you can definitely close it back up like this. And definitely for the Apple Watch option right here, if you guys want to pull it open like this, you can definitely pull it up like that to actually charge your Apple Watch. And when you're done using it, you can put it away like that. So it's definitely very space saving. And the cool thing about this case right here is the fact that right here, it actually has a really strong magnet. So we open it up. You guys can see how I struggle a little bit to actually open it up. And when I close it, you guys can hear how strong the magnet is right there. So I guess for the AirPods part right here, you guys can actually use it as a wireless charger as well. But this is basically everything that's on the product. If you guys can see, it's very compact and very minimal. Definitely really cool how it has all these options available for you guys. If you guys want to charge an Apple Watch, your pencil, if you guys want to put your AirPods on here, if you guys want to do wireless charger on here, or if you guys want to use the cable right here to charge it, you can definitely use that as well. But one thing to remember is the maximum watts on here is 20 watts, so it won't be super fast if you guys want to use it to charge like your laptop or whatever. If you guys want to use this to charge your phone, you can definitely charge pretty fast. And for the cables inside right here, it is MFI certified as well. So you definitely get the fastest charging speed at the safest charging speed as well. So it has all like the built-in protection as well, such as overcharge protection, over voltage protection, and the list goes on. And they also mentioned that this product is TSA approved, so if you guys want to bring this when you guys are traveling, you definitely can. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually put this down on the table and show you guys a quick charging test to actually test out the Apple Watch charger, this charger, and also the wireless charging as well. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product all set up. Let's test it out. So right here, if you guys have like an Apple Pencil or something, you can definitely put it inside. But since I don't have one with me, I'm just gonna use this pen right here. So you basically just put it inside like this. You can store like your Apple Pencil inside. And if you guys want to store like your AirPods or AirPods Pro, you can definitely put it inside here as well. So just like that. So the way how they designed it, it fits both the AirPods and also AirPods Pro. And for the AirPods that we have right here, it's not the wireless charging. But if you guys do have the one that does wireless charging, you can definitely put it in here and actually charge it inside. When you guys close up like this, you can definitely do the wireless charging inside right here with your AirPods or AirPods Pro. But I couldn't put my pen inside because of the little cap that they have right here. But it definitely does work if you guys want to use that option. And then if you guys want to charge your Apple Watch on here, you definitely can. So just go like this. Alright, so you see that the Apple Watch charger definitely does work. And then for this option right here, if you guys want to use a wireless charger option to charge your phone, you definitely can as well. Alright, so you can see that works as well. So you definitely have all these options to use right here. And then if you guys want to use the USB-C option to actually charge it up at the same time, you definitely can as well. So if I plug in the cable right here, if I want to charge my device right here, you guys can see that that works as well. But definitely use the USB-C option right here to do input or output, which is pretty awesome. So you can see when we actually plug in the input option, it is charging the device, and you can definitely charge all the devices at the same time as well. So now that you saw a quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work and it's quite well. Everything about the product is actually pretty cool because you guys have the option to use it as a power bank to actually recharge like your phone, your Apple Watch, your AirPods, and etc. Or if you guys want to use a cable option, you definitely can as well. Whether you guys want to use it to charge like your laptop, your smartphone, or some other device, it must be compatible with USB-C cable in order for you guys to use this power bank option. But I've been seeing from the test, everything on here works really well. And it's so compact to the point that if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, when you guys are traveling, you could basically use this almost anywhere. But that is basically everything that is on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a power bank that has everything on here where you can charge multiple devices at the same time and different type of devices at the same time. So if you guys want all of that in a power bank, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.